crazy things on this channel. I'm going to be trying to use crayons to make hair gel. So for today's video, I'm going to be recoloring my hair. Not with regular hair dye, but with Kool-Aid. I'm going to be dyeing my hair with food coloring. But bananas to curl my hair? I don't think I'm ready for that yet. Just give me a moment to think about it. Just give me a moment. However, it led me to ask the question, what other hair videos does Simply Nailogical have? And that led me to this video, testing holographic hair foam. The results will not shock you. So if you don't watch Simply Nailogical, then you won't understand the major offense of a product being labeled holographic and it not being holographic. Nah, that don't fly with Christine, alright? She calls herself a holosexual and she loves her holo and she don't play with her holo. So
I don't even need to use this to know that it's not real hollow.
But I still kind of like how it looks. So I went and bought 3. Christine mentioned in her video that the only way she thinks that we could actually get our hair to be holographic is to braid holographic tinsel in our hair. So I bought some holographic tinsel from Amazon. So we're going to create a hairstyle with both our true holographic tinsel and our fake holographic hair foam. And yeah, hopefully this turns out well. Oh, and let me know down below if you guys actually still want me to do the banana curls. So I'm starting off this hairstyle on my really old 4-strand braid out. But if you didn't see the fresh curls from that braid out, I'll be sure to leave the video up in the iCards. So my plan for this very simple holographic hairstyle is to braid the sides of my hair with the tinsel. So it's deep back like this. Then we're going to use our holographic foam on the rest of our hair and do a little pompadour, a little, you know, the style is in my head. Hopefully it turns out well. Alright, so about 10 of these. Let's pull it out. Woo! Holographic! I mean, I know how to braid fake hair into my hair, so braiding in hair like tinsel shouldn't be that much different, right? This might be a total disaster. So I end up using 1 pack of these holographic tinsels for one of my braid. And my braid is short and small. Ooh, let me put some gel at the side. Where's my gel? Adding this edge control to both sides of the braid supposed to help it to look neater. So, usually works. Let's see if it works with the holographic tinsel. I can't believe 6 little braids stressing me out like this. Okay, we're done. Right, let's really put this style together and make our little pompadour at the front. Moisturize our hair. Now I'm just using a whole bunch of hairpins and bobby pins to hold the style in place. Alright, let's hope that this holographic hair foam doesn't spoil the entire look, because we have some real holo going on. Now we're going to add this fake holo. From what I saw on Simply Nailogical's video, even though the foam wasn't holographic, I kind of liked how it looked in her hair.
If it weren't for the texture, I think I'd really dig this look, but it feels so crusty and hard.
So, let's hope I like it in person. Shake it well, shake it, 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 shake it. Damn, wait, come on. Oh, hang on, hang on. Okay. Am I doing nothing wrong? What's going on here? Ooh! See? This is pretty pink glitter. You see that? You see that? Ooh. Doesn't really smell too good, but it feels good on my hair. Oh my lord, my hands. Oh god, my hands. Oh my lord. I'm more in love with how it's doing my fingers than my hair. Oh my lord, this could make really good body paint.
That is clearly an iridescent kind of pearlized form of duochrome pigments. You can call it any of those things, but it is most certainly not holographic.
I can definitely see what Christine was getting at when she said this was not holographic, because it's only shifting from pink to blue. But damn, it's pretty. Guys, you know I have to get a little bit extra with it. I bought a holographic shirt for my holographic video. You like my holographic shirt to go with my holographic hair? Oh, oh. I know, extra, but I'm not done yet. I found some holographic bows. Although I'm looking at it now in person, and I really don't think this is holographic in its true sense. could be true holographic. Damn, I suck at this. Christine, where are you? Tell me, is this holographic? If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro. So if I wasn't giving you cheerleader vibes before, I'm definitely giving it to you now. Ooh. Let's take it one tiny little step further. I have more things left over, so let's cut it up and stick it in our hair. So I'm just gonna use some bobby pins and I'm gonna pinch the tinsel right in between. And then I'm gonna just stick it in and it's still. Let's not try to cut my own hair in this process. It's not blending in with my own natural hair very well. I think they need some kinky holographic tinsel. So now that my hair is completely dried with the foam in it, my hair isn't stiff, but it's not as moisturized as I'd like. I think this product is something I'd use again because I think it's pretty. I like the pinkish, bluish glitter in my hair, okay? I like it, okay? I like it. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, how you can watch an entire holographic hair video and just not subscribe? I think the problem is you and not me. Anyway, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah. I don't know what's going on with me, okay? I have to laugh at my own self, alright? Like,